everyone, Dogmatic71 here, and welcome to Dogmatic DIY. Today I'm going to show you how to build a Barnwood headboard. Now it's not anything difficult. I'm actually going to screw the headboard right into the wall because I don't want it to be movable. Right, and then I can always screw the bed frame right into the wall to make it a lot sturdier. So everything I'm getting for the headboard you can buy at Home Depot. As you can see here, they have their own Barnwood here, and so you can either get the white or like the brown. So today we're going to get the brown. So let's get started. Okay, so what I did first is went to Home Depot and got Barnwood. As you can see here, Barnwood. Now, since I'm making the headboard for a queen bed, and the queen bed is about 5 feet wide, so these boards are 6 feet long. Okay, so if you want it a king, you're not going to have any overhang, right? Since this is 6 feet, I'm going to have about 6 inches overhang of the headboard past, which is fine. I don't mind having a little. So what I did is I bought a 6 foot 8 inch and then 6 foot 4 inch wide Barnwood. So I staggered it. So as you can see, I put some cuts here. The 8 inch I did 3 foot pieces, and the 4 inch I did 2 foot pieces. So it's kind of like staggered. So what I'll do is here I'll put a seam down there, because what I'm going to do is the headboard is going to be screwed right into the wall. Also, what I plan on doing is after I get this up, I'm going to see how it looks to have a little floating shelf. Say those pieces are 2 feet long. So I'll go like 2 feet long here, and then a foot there, and 2 feet again. So I'll have like a little cubby there that you can put a magazine, but then also on the top, since it's 8 inch wide, you can put a table lamp or your phone and charge it. And I might put like a little cord from the plug that's going to be behind the headboard. Well, underneath the headboard, sorry, it won't be behind it. Maybe we can do something there and connect it to that so it has somewhere to plug in your phone charger and that, so you don't have to go always behind the bed or use another cord or another plug around the room. So next step, what we're probably going to do is we'll screw the pieces that these are going to go in right into the wall. So let's go do that. That's the finished product. As you see, we want the rough look, but you can see here, put my 1x5s, then I'm going to screw that in. Okay. Got them all behind, screwed into the actual wall. So at each break, you can see I haven't cleaned up these marks yet, but we want the rough look. So that's kind of your finished product. Now once we get normal bedspread, that's the headboard. Now I'll put the little floating shelves on the side. And the final piece, my shelves here. I'm going to end up putting a plug underneath. As you can see, all I did was unscrew them with brackets underneath. Now you got a shelf underneath, on top, and then underneath here I'm going to run the extension cord and connect it to here so you can plug in your lamp and your phone charger. Okay, so for the final piece, I'm going to show you. I told you here I would put a plug, so what I did is I just took an extension cord underneath, and then I tacked it there, so now I got 3 plugs I can use. Just kind of a cheap, easy way to add a plug without doing any electrical. Now you got a plug underneath, got your shelf here, and got something here to put a lamp on. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified when I post another video. And we'll talk to you later.